Hello friends, my name is Sarveshwar and in this video I'll discuss how to add trend variable in OLS regression in Stata. So friends, suppose we are having the data points, the data uh, for 24 annual data points from 1991 to 2014 for the variables electricity, GDP, mobile connections and their logged values. So the trend value, suppose if I say, what will I say? I simply keep only the variables. These are my three variables: electricity, uh, GDP, and mobile. So first of all, I need to generate their log values. Oh, ho, ho, ho. So I'm having my the three log values now here: mm, electricity, GDP, mobile, and their log values. Uh, So suppose I need to run a regression. When I run the simple uh, regression of GDP on electricity and mobile using regress function. This is our regression function, but here we are having constant. Here, if you see, we are having constant, but not trend. So how to add this trend? So for that, what we know here in stata underscore underscore n is the command for count function. The number of observation we are having a sequence. Like suppose here we are having 24 observation. So by having this under n, we are having 24. It's not showing just for purpose of it is having number of observation. So we can create a sequence along that. So how to do that? What can I do? Simply I can generate here a new variable trend, which I can generate a new variable trend. The command I had there, okay. I can generate a new variable trend uh, by making it equal to underscore n, which is by default command in Stata for number of observation counting. So if I put it here, we can see we are generating a trend from 1 to 24. So in this way we can generate trend, and now we can include this variable in our regression. Okay, in this way, so that now we would regress it like this. In this way, regress command, we are simply adding trend in the early regression. So in this regression, we were not having trend, only constant was there. Now in this regression, we are having trend as well. Oh, sorry, trend I put there first, so it's becoming dependent variable. So the simple change is required. Trend is not a dependent variable, it is our independent variable. In this way we can run. So here GDP as our dependent variable, and trend, and after controlling for constant trend, now we are having electricity and mobile independent variable. But trend is not significant here because p value is not less than 0.05. So in this way we can add trend in Stata for OLS regression. Thanks friends.